World War I, the Great War that changed the world forever. From 1914 to 1918, millions were drawn into a conflict unlike any before. But how did it all begin? And what happened during those 4 brutal years? Let's dive in. Section 1. The Spark Assassination of Archduke Franz. In June 1914, Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria-Hungary was assassinated in Sarajevo by Gavrilo Princip, a young nationalist seeking independence for his people. This single event ignited a powder keg of political tensions across Europe. Section 2. Causes of the war. But the assassination was just the spark. Long before, Europe was tense. Major causes included militarism, the buildup of armies, imperialism, the race for colonies, nationalism, pride and rivalry among nations, and a complex system of alliances. When Austria-Hungary declared war on Serbia, these alliances pulled countries into war. Section 3. The war begins. In August 1914, Germany declared war on Russia and France, and Britain entered the war after Germany invaded Belgium. Soldiers flooded the battlefields, expecting a quick victory. But they faced something new and terrifying: trench warfare. Section 4. Trench warfare and technology. In the trenches, soldiers endured mud, cold, and constant danger. New weapons like machine guns, poison gas, and tanks made the fighting deadly. Battles like the Somme and Verdun showed the horrific cost: millions of lives lost for just a few miles of land. Section 5. Global nature of the war. World War I wasn't just Europe's war. Countries from Africa, Asia, and beyond were drawn in. Colonies supplied troops and resources. The conflict truly spanned the globe. Section 6. The home front and changes. Back home, societies changed. Women took on new roles, working in factories and supporting the war effort. Governments increased control, rationed food, and used propaganda. Section 7. The end of the war. By 1918, exhaustion and economic challenges wore down the Central Power.